everyone, we have this patient with us, young patient seeking hair transplantation. The one look at him and we see a head full of hair, but that's because he wants hair transplantation basically for the hairline. So if we take his hair a little back, especially the front, we see a deep temporal notching on the right as well as on the left. This is what he's mainly concerned about. Also, he feels his hair is scanty. He has grown it in length. That's the reason it's masking it. It's scanty. There is scalp show visible. If you look down a little bit, he's concerned about the scalp show in this region, which is the frontal part. So it's basically a case of hairline advancement. Yes, not as extensive as other patients we see. He's a young fellow. However, this requires precision in terms of the marking, precision in terms of the planning, and also in the execution. It's going to be an FUE, which is follicular unit extraction. The donor area or the area of harvest will be the occipital. So if you can turn on the other side, yes, so this is the region where we get our best grafts from. This is the occipital region, which is most supposed to be the source of healthy donor sites. Grafts are extracted using a punch because it's unit extraction method. Also, we'll show you the slit preparation, its hairline, so we'll also show you the design and the implantation, which we generally do during forceps technique. So it's FUE for this young patient. We'll see as to how his results are now and also in follow-up. Thank you.
means full density. Okay, your roots are very good. So triple, double, more than triple doubles. So you will get good density. Feeling too much cold, huh? Okay.